We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
Hey guys, okay, so we just got back from our walk and I just want to do a quick little check-in because today is the last day of the Summer Self-Love Challenge. We did 2 weeks, Monday through Friday, every day of meditating, EFT tappings, self-love mini challenges, and movement every single day. And your girl is feeling so good. I'm feeling so good. And I am extending this challenge because we are going to Maui in September like we always do, and I'm doing a photo shoot in September. And not that I need to change my body in any way, but I just want to keep this momentum going. And I don't know about you, but when I have like a date and a goal, I get extra motivated and extra inspired to keep doing all of the things. So I'm going to pop up on the screen what I'm going to do. Instead of like hot girl summer, everybody's got their like summer get your bikini body and hot girl summer stuff going on. We've already discussed this in a previous video. We're not going hot girl summer. I'm not like trying to change my body just so that I can look good for this photo shoot. Just like, it's just motivation. You know what I mean? And while I'm on this like high of all the gratitude, all of the self-love, like positive self-talk, I'm just like so excited to be moving my body and like just do this challenge. So I'm gonna pop up on the screen what Healthy Girl Summer is gonna look like. I hope you guys join me. I'm doing a check-in every single day on my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me, I'm Charlene _. Come follow me over there and just like join the challenge, tag me if you guys are going to come along this journey with me. I'm so excited to move my body every day, you know, stop the daily scroll, actually incorporate strength training back in my workout. So my YouTube channel for the next like 90 days, I'm going to switch up my style. We're going to be doing more daily vlogs. I'm going to show you guys more workouts. I'm going to be focusing on abs every single day. So maybe we'll do some ab exercises together, some yoga together, show you guys what I'm eating. I'll be intermittent fasting every single day. So no matter what, I will be doing some form of fast every single day, whether it's, you know, a 15-hour fast will probably be my shortest fast. And that will be like the week before my period, because as you know, you don't want to stress out your body the week before your period. You don't want to spike cortisol because it will stop your body from making progesterone. So if you guys want to know more about fasting, I've got other fasting videos. You guys can go check those out. I have a whole playlist for you. So come join me. I did my meditation and my workout this morning. I'll put some of that in here. I'm so excited to focus on like my mental health and my body. And honestly, like I don't even feel like I need to change my body. Like I love who I am and I'm so comfortable and confident in who I am right now, which is such a beautiful feeling because I used to go into summer like super uncomfortable getting into my bathing suit and like I don't care. You know what I mean? Like I'm just so happy to have this body. And so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what the results are gonna be. We're gonna do before and afters. I'm gonna show you guys progress pictures throughout the time. Like I said, it's gonna be 90 days. So I hope this is content that you guys like to see. If it is, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are gonna join me for Healthy Girl Summer. Let's just like fall in love with our bodies and move because we love our bodies, eat because we love our bodies, and do what's right for us because we love ourselves and not because we're trying to change ourselves into something else. Am I right? Yes. So we're gonna get this video started and we're gonna go to the pool. So I'm gonna change into my bathing suit. We're gonna do our before pictures or video right now. And then I'm gonna take you guys to the pool with me. So, okay, you guys, so today is day 1 check-in. We love ourselves, we're happy here. I just wanna show you guys like where I'm at fitness level wise because I haven't been lifting weights at all in 2023. So as I showed you guys, I will be lifting weights 3 days a week and intermittent fasting. So this is where we're starting. I will do a weigh-in and let you guys know where I'm at. Thank you. Ready? You want to say hi to the channel?
Hi, channel.
Playing at the pool. Good morning, guys. We just got back from our walk. I am making Doug and Liv some breakfast right now. So it's Saturday, and so I thought it would be good to do like a weekend reset. Like, let's get us ready for Healthy Girl Summer because, let me get you guys a little bit closer. I just want to get us prepped for Healthy Girl Summer because you gotta set yourself up for success, right? And last week was Liv's birthday, so last Saturday we had her birthday party. We did a birthday barbecue, then her birthday was Wednesday, so we obviously celebrated her birthday on Wednesday with her just like us. The house is a bit of a mess. I need to clean out my refrigerator. I did a big grocery shop yesterday, and so I just want to like clean. Phoebe, honey. Phoebe's playing with her toy. This morning was the perfect way to start the day. Like, it is a perfect summer day here. The sun was shining. I got to sit outside with my coffee. I did my gratitude practice this morning, like set my intentions, did some future journaling of like where I see myself in the future, like 5 years down the road. And yeah, so it was just a beautiful time to sit outside, get the sunshine on my face. It's so good for you to get sunshine on your face first thing in the morning. Oh my goodness. It was just such a beautiful morning. So we're gonna clean out the refrigerator. I do still look like a hot mess because we literally just woke up, took the dogs for a walk because it's gonna be 95 degrees today, so we had to get them out early, which it just felt good to like get moving first thing in the morning. I love walks, and I love walks first thing in the morning. So that was beautiful. I'm gonna make some breakfast right now. We're gonna clean out the refrigerator, clean up the kitchen. I'll do like a before shot of the kitchen and then snap and it'll be clean, okay? Because those are super fun. Maybe we'll even do like some speed cleaning because that's fun too. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me along for the next like 90 days of Healthy Girl Summer. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are gonna join me for Healthy Girl Summer. I can't wait, and let's get this vlog started.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way.
Oh my goodness, you guys, there is nothing that motivates me more than a clean house, a clean kitchen, and honestly, when you're starting a healthy lifestyle, do the big things when you have the motivation, because motivation is gonna fade, but your healthy habits are what keep you going. So when you're really motivated, clean out the refrigerator, buy the healthy groceries, meal prep if that's what works for you, right? Do the things that set yourself up for success while you have all of that new motivation, and create the healthy habits so that you can keep going and keep it sustained long term. After I cleaned my kitchen, and you guys, that was a workout in itself, I jumped into my first Sydney Cummings workout of the year. You guys, it was fire. It was a no equipment, full body workout. It felt so good to move my body. I am so excited for Healthy Girl Summer. I hope you join me. If you do, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm posting every single day over there as well. And don't forget to come back next week for another Healthy Girl Summer motivational video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.